An introduction to Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. The idea is simple. You sell any product that you wish, but instead of handling fulfillment yourself, that means storage and delivery, you instead outsource this part of the process to Amazon. In many ways, this is the perfect business model, freeing sellers up to spend less time worrying about logistics and allowing them to start profiting with very little investment or overhead. In short, this is one of the greatest equalizers in business yet. An amazing platform that allows much smaller businesses to compete with much larger companies. In this presentation, we'll explore precisely how Amazon FBA works, and what you need to know in order to get started. The basics. So here's what you need to know. When you sell through Amazon FBA, you will choose the product you want to sell, find a supplier to sell it to you, normally a manufacturer, wholesaler. Get the supplier to package the goods and deliver them to Amazon's warehouses, fulfillment centers. Create an Amazon store listing. Let Amazon sell the products and deliver them to your customers. There are a couple of drawbacks to keep in mind. Of course, one is that this method will inevitably involve sharing revenue with not only the manufacturer but also Amazon. But on the plus side, it means you don't need to order a warehouse in order to store items yourself. And you don't need to handle the complex and frustrating logistics of, well, logistics. In fact, for many small companies starting out, the per unit cost of paying Amazon's small commission is going to be less than the amount of investment necessary to get started. Considering that most businesses like this wouldn't break even for many years, you can find that Amazon FBA saves you money. Why Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA probably sounds incredible to you if you're new to the world of internet business. Others, though, might recognize that there are other options, such as dropshipping. Or how about selling digital products? So why pick this method? The answer is really very simple. Amazon is massive. 5.95 billion people have an Amazon Prime membership, and that's only 59% of the company's total customers. Amazon's share of the e-commerce market reached 49% in 2018, which is absolutely gigantic. And the thing to be absolutely aware of is that people still prefer physical products, even online. So while you could set up your own store and use a method like dropshipping, you'd do much better on Amazon. So why not let Amazon take care of the details for you?